Hello, my name is Sanjay Sharma. I'm an employee of Seven Group working under the NSKF cell. Uh, I'm a vocational trainer of retail. So today I'm going to discuss about a very small topic, that is customer expectation. Customer expectation comes from a topic named customer service. So let us first know what is customer expectation is. Customer expectation, as we can read, customer expectation are what people think should happen, how they think they should be treated when asking for or receiving customer service. So as I've already said, that it comes from customer service. So whenever we go to any place, any store, then how the people working there are treating them. Customer expectation is also about everything that a customer expects from a product, service, or organization. So let us now know about how the expectations are formed. So these are what people hear and see, what they read and what the organization tells them, and then what happens during the customer service. So whenever they're entering any retail store or any organization, then they must have heard something from the earlier customer, or when they are in the store, then what they see, how the things are going on. And the third one is what happens during the customer experience. So how the customer experienced of whatever they are going for for in the store. For example, branded items are often associated with quality. So we obviously know that we always go for some higher prices item for higher purchase. So most customers expect that well-known brands are higher quality, and those thus evaluate their performance higher than that of an identical product from a little known brand. So as I've already said, that we always go for some high price or high brand item. So we have that thinking that high price or high brand item will be good or will be best than the other brands, than the other local brands. So this is one of the reason new brands find it difficult to make it to the level what they are targeting for in the market. For example, let us take Puma or Nike. Those are the shoe brand. So we always go for that brand in any store or in any retail outlet rather than going for some common or local branded items. So let us now know what are the factors influencing customer expectation. There's a previous customer experience, customer communication, word of mouth. So previous customer experience, what they have heard from earlier one, and next is customer communication. It is very essential that the retailer communicate with the customer in a very authentic and honest way. Third one is word of mouth, what they have heard from other customer about the particular product or about the particular uh, retail outlet, about their product or services, that might be positive or negative. So other factors are cultural factor. It can affect a customer expectation by shaping what the customer is looking to receive in the manner of service or product quality. So how they gain from the product or service. The other factors are social factors, news in media, and advertisement and promotion. So I've already said the customer expectation is all about customer service. So there can be three kind of services, as we can see. That can be good customer service, bad customer service, excellent customer service. Good customer service is it is when they get what they have ordered. Then the expectation lies in a very good way. Bad customer service it is when they get somewhat less than what they have ordered, or then it's a negativity comes into their mind of their product or services or of the organization. Third one is excellent customer service. It is when the customer gets somewhat more what they have preferred for. So customers expectation plus product service or performance is equal to customer satisfaction. The customer satisfaction is all about customer expectation and the performance of the product and service that comes from the organization. Thank you.